Home alarm by William. Goal. My goal is to make a home alarm with Raspberry Pi. Design. I designed that so when you get closer, the LEDs will light up. Build. I use LEDs, resistor, ultrasonic sensor, multi-signal wires, button, and Raspberry Pi. Program. I use for loop, if statement, and roundable. So this is my code. Test. It took me 30 tries to work. Rethink. I would add a buzzer and more LEDs. Move button. No worries. No worries.
Can you tell us what you're trying to do?
I'm trying to close it, it's not working.
The distance is too close.
What distance?
Move the keyboard back. There you go. So what is it supposed to do?
It's supposed to, if you get closer, all the LEDs will light up when you press the button to close it off.
Okay. So does anyone have any questions for him?
I have a question. What was the hardest part of the project?
Putting the wires on.
Do you know how many wires we're using?
Maybe about more than 10.
More than 10? Okay. How many wires did you use for the ultrasonic sensor?
3.
3? Only 3?
Yeah.
So, hand of applause.